Other than the hole in the gas tank, I definitely was not expecting this much snow. It's like 2 inches on the roads. Of course, the whole trip from, we're almost to Erie all the way to Columbus shows lake effect snow. So I gotta fix the gas tank that has a huge hole in it again somehow. And also the ball on my receiver is loose. So we gotta go find O'Reilly's so it's not hand tight and sketchy as fuck. I'm gonna kill somebody.
Hot now, but you're gonna wanna.
Yeah, you're gonna wanna scrape that.
Cooking us more, buddy? Or are you just warming up a steak?
Because I am speed.
Let it sit over
Kids
here for a minute.
chow.
Dad, I am speed. Ready?
Oh, Nala's a pro.
Ready, Dad?
Mm-hmm. I'm ready.
She is. I think she goes into the.
Place Alice found online that said you can camp out front of it for 20 bucks, and they have water and electric hookup. And then they also have like antique stores, and they provided this fire pit. What, like a swing and stuff? And they provide firewood. It's that place that we stayed last night for 20 bucks. They've got a field here you can camp in with the water and electric. We got in pretty late, so we didn't really hook up too much, but they got this like little golf cart ride thing and some sheds that they have, like antiques and stuff that you can rent out these cabins. It's weird. Over here, I was gonna check out one of these little cabins. It's like a bunch of, yeah, this is one of the cabins. Yeah, she said she leaves it unlocked. You can go check it out. Somebody had a 13th birthday in here, I guess. Huh. Yeah, it's like really claustrophobic in here. It's like a little kitchen thing.
I think you should, because you know you're supposed to buy something, you should buy this.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Here. So part of the deal with these is that they let you camp here for free or cheap to draw people into their business.
There's like a bed up top.
There's like a bed up there. This is like a double shed. It would suck if you rented it right now because I don't think there's any heat. It's like 30 degrees out. She said everything that's in here is free.
Free or for sale?
Or for sale, I mean. Huh. Oh, there's like a little space heater thing. Another couch bed.
Sleep 6 people.
Yeah. Huh. It's weird. And this one. Building 3. Oh, there's more beds in here.
Warm though.
Oh, this one's like heated. Alright, so there's like another.
Well, each one you rent out separately, honey. I don't understand why you're so special.
Well, I thought that she said this one was just antiques, but it's just like. Yeah, this one's the only one. The other one's freezing.
Couple more. That's kind of a cool layout, really.
There's like a chicken coop down there and a graveyard over there.
I can see graveyard.
Yeah. Something Graveyard Road.
Oh yeah, graveyard.
Alright, let's check out this last shed here. This one's called the Man Cave. Oh damn. There's some vacuums and stuff.
Oh, that's what she must be redoing.
Yeah, I think she's in the middle of cleaning this one up. It's warm in here.
Yeah, why was that one freezing?
I don't know. This one's kind of cool. It's got like cedar randomly nailed to the wall.
Super creepy up.
Oh my god. Has a Dale Earnhardt shrine.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah, brother.
That's awesome. That's cool because next week they're racing at Darlington, I think, not this Sunday, but the following.
Yeah.
And his grandson is racing and doing a big tribute to him.
For real. Well, look at that. It's random.
Kevin Harvick.
Yeah, this one's pretty,
Guess it is a man cave.
Well, I think I got a tricycle.
Yeah.
I guess they got bikes you can, like, use and rent. And they got a playground. And a little tent thing. We're most impressed with this. I showed up last night, the keys are in this. Then they had, like I showed last night, they had the free firewood and this nice little, like, hangout area where they provide some more sticks and all sorts of stuff. Interesting. On the road today. We're in Kentucky right now near Bowling Green. We're gonna try to make it into Texas today. Just realized too that there's a shower and bathhouse that we opted not to use, but I want to show it to you. There's like a little shower and stuff in here. One of the other sheds. Kind of cool, I guess. So we noticed 2 days ago, right after we left, we had done the gas tank on this. Now, it's a huge hole in the gas tank right there, so we can only do about 140, 150 miles at a time before it runs out each time. So, we can only pump about $70 worth of gas. Other than that, it's been running awesome. So we bought a bunch of shit at O'Reilly's to try to patch it. Everything from like Flex Seal to tank repair kit. We plan on doing that tonight. It hasn't been warm enough until today. We finally got into Tennessee to be able to try to attempt it because it has to be at least 60 degrees. So, yay. So we noticed 2 days ago, right after we left, we had done the gas tank on this. Now, it's a huge hole in the gas tank right there, so we can only do about 140, 150 miles at a time before it runs out each time. So, we can only pump about $70 worth of gas. Other than that, it's been running awesome. So we bought a bunch of shit at O'Reilly's to try to patch it. Everything from like Flex Seal to tank repair kit. We plan on doing that tonight. It hasn't been warm enough until today. We finally got into Tennessee to be able to try to attempt it because it has to be at least 60 degrees. So, yay. Here at some Sad Sam's fireworks store and gas station. Getting gas. Alright, let's go check it out. As we're pumping gas inside that store, we come out here and notice there's a fucking graveyard in the back next to the dumpsters here. Sad Sam's is so weird. I don't know how old these are though. Fence is a little rough. He's got a date on one of these. Papa. 1850 to 1920. 1951. This one's broke. This one looks way more recent. Like they still burying people out behind this gas station? So that's the first day or two of our little adventure here. Lots of snow, dealing with gas. We had to stop every fucking like 2 hours to get gas. It's terrible. Hopefully today we can get the gas tank fixed. The lady at that place where we stayed last night was real nice. Tried to invite the kids into a clown room for tea party in the morning, which is weird, but very nice. We only paid 20 bucks to stay there. On our way to Texas today. See you guys.